In this video, I want to share a simple tutorial for how to mask a pattern image onto a shirt in Adobe Photoshop. Here I have prepared a photo that I downloaded from Freepik. The first step is to select the shirt with the Quick Selection tool. To fix the selection on a specific area, I use the Polygonal Lasso tool. If you want to reduce the selection, press Alt while moving the cursor to the selection area you want to remove. If the shirt area is selected correctly, press right-click, then choose Layer via Copy. After that, choose File in the menu section. Then choose Place Embedded. Add the image. And adjust the position of the pattern image. On the t-shirt layer, press right-click. Then choose Select Pixels. Select Pattern Image, then select Add Layer Mask. Move the t-shirt layer to the top. Then copy the layer, then hide the layers. In the blend mode on the pattern image layer that has been masked, I changed it to screen mode. Unhide the shirt layer on top of it. In the blend mode option, I chose multiply. After that, I added the level adjustment layer. Activate the All Layers Below setting. Then adjust the level setting. Unhide the top t-shirt layer. I changed the blend option to Soft Light. And I reduce the opacity value. If there are excess areas, we can remove them from the layer mask. Before deleting, make sure the white part is on top. And the result will be like this. Thank you for watching, and see you in another tutorial.